Hey baddies, it's me Marissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a video on how to clean your hair bundles in case you haven't before or want to know how. I never used to wash my hair bundles before. I've bought hair maybe like 4 or 5 times, and the first couple times I didn't, but then the third time I did. I don't know what inspired me to, but I did, and I was so glad that I did because the sink was literally filled with black water and it really grossed me out that I didn't do it before. So that's the reason why I continued to wash my hair bundles and the reason why I do now. So this hair that I have in is the hair that I'm going to be working with during the video. This is Mayvenn's deep wavy hair, and I straightened it, and then I went ahead and put heatless body wave type curls into it. And if you want to see the video on how I did the body waves curls, it'll be coming out later this week, so be on the lookout for that. And when I did clean this hair, the water was clean as a whistle. Like, there was no black, there was no brown, there was no discoloring of the water. And that actually made me feel really good. Like, if I get hair from them again, I don't necessarily have to wash it, even though I will. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started.
So what you want to use is hair from your favorite hair company. I'm using Mayvenn's deep wavy hair. You'll also need conditioner and shampoo. It doesn't really matter what kind you use. You'll also need a hair tie, but this is completely optional. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is remove the elastic band that comes around the hair. And I just do this by pulling it in a downward motion until it comes off. And the reason I do this is because it helps clean the root of the hair versus just getting the bottom half of the hair clean. So it's completely optional. So the next thing that you're going to want to do is turn on your water and then grab a shampoo of your choice and just squeeze a decent amount on your hair bundle. Now what I like to do is just take my hand and go over the hair in a downward motion. That way I get the shampoo all over the hair, but I still keep the curls together. Now they're not going to be perfect, but they're not going to be super messy, and that's just kind of how I prefer to keep my hair. That way when I get it installed, it's not so crazy. Occasionally you'll see me lather it in certain spots like I'm doing right here, and I'm only doing that to ensure that I get it really clean. But I'm also being mindful that I don't mess up the curls too much. Once I feel I've washed the hair enough to where there's no more shampoo in it, I just go ahead and I take my hand and I tightly pull it down so I get most of the water out so it can be prepared to be conditioned. And what you're going to do is just grab the conditioner that you're using or the conditioner of your choice and just squeeze a generous amount on your hair. And then just really work it in by like going downward like I was doing before. So I just take my hand and I go in a downward motion, really like rubbing it into the hair so it all gets conditioned. So once I'm done conditioning the hair, I then take my hand and I squeeze out all the excess water. That way I can get started on the drying process and it can be drier than, just a soaking slob of hair just sitting there. So Mayvenn comes with little satin baggies for your hair as well as some labels, and I just go ahead and I take the label and I put it on the bag so I know which hair is which. And it's perfect for the drying process because I then put the bag on the towel and then I put the hair next to the bag so I know which one is which. With that all said, if you choose to use a hair tie, you're going to go ahead and take your hair tie and wrap it around the hair bundle like it came, and then you're going to go ahead and take your towel and blot the rest of your hair dry. So just basically towel dry it as much as you can, and then you're going to lay it on another towel so it actually dries on a towel.
So yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, a pretty straightforward process, really easy, nothing much to it. So give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me. And please leave your comment down below. I want to know, do you guys normally wash your hair bundles? Are you going to start washing your hair bundles if you don't? And if you do, then what's the process that you use? I'm really curious to hear you guys' comments, so go ahead and leave those below and I'll be sure to reply back. All right, thanks for watching this video, guys. Bye.